In 2022, who was best man at Dan and Phil's wedding?
You lift my heart up when the rest of me is down.
Maybe she might be alone quite a lot.
You
sorry, if you would like to...
me, even when you're not around.
Let's smash that noise. You're attracted to noise.
Get off my bed.
There
Get
are
off.
boundaries. I will try to not
Is this real life?
Okay, I'm failing,
Hello, sir. Now I know what I have.
Friendship!
I love you, Phil.
Was that you saying that, Dan, or did someone say it?
Someone said it in the chat, that wasn't me.
good.
Why would I suddenly want to announce that in the voice of a goose?
Would look like.
I've seen a few of our children done.
What do they look like, Phil? In an alternate universe?
Kid.
Good eyes. That's a really weird thing to say. But good to know.
Oh, look, a big boat. I'm gonna win you a ticket, Rose. Yeah. I'm flying, Jack. I'm flying. Oh, it's beautiful, Jack. Iceberg, right ahead. No, quickly. I'll never let go, Jack.
No. So encaptured.
This was the most
Got
fun
me
I've
wrapped
ever
up
had.
in your touch.
I'm so ready.
Okay. Like, just cross your legs. You crossed your legs and you just uncrossed your legs. That's actually really funny. Okay. Ready? I need you guys to just.
Didn't you make the toilet time? Do is truly underrated.
Oh, yeah.
That's so cute.
What did you give me?
Do you know what I'd call my child if it had like your last name?
What?
Wolf.
Wolf Howl. Haha. Stop. Okay, what's happening?
I wanna lock in your love. I think we're close enough.